Annyeonghaseyo students.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, sit down. Okay, for this morning, we have synonyms and antonyms. So, kung moingon tawag synonyms, ang synonyms are words that have the same or almost the same meaning. So, kung ang synonym, mo na gitawag sa Tagalog og so mana kasing kahulugan, pareha og meaning. Kung unsay kuan dire panitan, beautiful. So dire ni abot sa synonyms, gorgeous. So pareha sila og meaning. So we have here antonyms. Unsa man ang antonyms? Sa Filipino ana unsa man na? Kasalungat. Akbang. Kuan niya ba? Opposite meaning. Oh, dili pareha og meaning. Panitan, beautiful. Unsa naman na sa antonyms?
Ugly.
So mahimo siya ugly. So we have here on the board some examples. So we have first beautiful. Sa synonyms, mga saan man siya?
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Sa antonyms,
Ugly.
ugly. So ang happy,
Joyful.
dayon sa antonyms,
Sad. Fast. Rapid. Quick. Slow.
okay, very good.
Big. Large. Small. Small. Tiny. Large. Smart. Intelligent. Stupid.
Sa man ang intelligent be? Sana. Bright, unsa man nga bright? Bright eyes, bright mind, unsa man?
Bright mind.
Okay, bright mind.
For L2 activity, they're going to explain their own understanding with regards to good mind. Okay, so Joanna, please start.
The good mind. The good mind have give respect people. A good mind have kindly behave, rightful, meaningful.
Okay, so dili mauwaw kung mag-storya, Joanna, do not be shy. Express your opinion. No, self-confident dapat si Joanna. Okay, next.
The good mind to have respectful and good manners to our parents who support you to our journey and to be kind.
Okay, next.
The good mind is respect for others people and his family and the
Tarungan ugbasa, Desiree. Balik ugbasa. Please repeat.
The good mind is respect
Ayaw lagi ka una imong pagbasa.
and blessing our family and behave.
Okay, next. Jillian May. O sige, Jed.
The good mind is respect other people and blessing our family.
Okay, next.
Good mind is good manners and are respectful and love that respect and parents and helping others.
Okay, next.
A good mind has a respectful and love that respect for others, and good mind is good manners and helping others.
Sophia.
The good mind is respect for others, and the good mind is good manners and helping other and also people and helping teacher, parents, friends, and also be kind to all.
Annyeonghaseyo students.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, sit down.
Thank you, Teacher Losel.
Okay, for this morning, we will tackle about fact and opinion. So, please read the meaning of fact, Angeline.
A fact statement that can be proven true or false using evidence.
Okay. So, ang fact kuno, ang statement kuno nga imo kunong ma-prove, tinuod ug naay ebidensya. Dili lang siya tumo-tumo. So, we have here example. Water boils at 100 degree at sea level. So, ginatest gyud ni siya. So, naa siya'y ebidensya. Wala ni siya gihimuan og storya. Naagyo siya evidence. So, mao ni siya gitawag og fact. So, please read the opinion, Marikit.
Opinion. A personal belief of judgment that cannot be proven true or false.
Okay. So, ang opinion, pwede ra siya atong pagtuo niya, judgment ra siya. Pwede siya himuhimuon sa tao nga matinuod, nga dili tinuod, murag siya gimarites ang opinion. Murag siya example sa marites. Kay opinion raman siya sa tao, wala man siya klaro nga ebidensya kung opinion. So Aliyah, unsa man nimo mag-give nga another example sa opinion of fact?
Fact. The earth revolves around the sun.
Okay, the earth revolve around the sun. So tinuod na siya kay ngano nana siya ebidensya. Wala na gihimo-himo. So another Marikit nga example sa opinion sa fact.
There are 7 continents on the earth.
So tinuod pud siya nga naay 7 continents sa kalibutan. Wala na siya gihimo-himo. So sa opinion, Angeline, unsa may mahatag nga